as it helps you not only in fetching good marks but also a step ahead towards the interview and maybe towards your goals. Hi everyone, I am Mansi Dua, an advocate as well as a legal educator, and in today's session we will be discussing about the myths which are associated with choosing law as an optional subject in UPSC examination. So the first myth associated towards choosing law as an optional subject is that the syllabus is very vast. To this myth, I would counter by stating that the syllabus designed is very well defined as well as static in nature. Therefore, this syllabus is not considered to be that vast. Also, this particular law optional subject is overlapping various other topics of GS and polity. Secondly, the myth which is attached to pursuing law as an optional subject is that it is only applicable for those who are either pursuing law or have done their law or they are preparing for judicial services. To this myth, I would counter with a reality stating that any person who has a keen interest in law can very well choose law as an optional subject. Because this subject not only requires the presence of legal knowledge, but all those people who are having a keen interest towards studying the development of this law will also be able to clear this law paper with very good scores. Third thing, the third myth attached to choosing law as an optional subject is that we do require remembrance of very long case laws. So to this myth, I would say that you do not require to study each and every case law, rather 1 to 2 judgments per topic will suffice your preparation. Another myth which is attached to this particular law optional subject is that it has a low success rate. But in reality, the answer to this is that choosing law optional has actually favored many students who have scored a very good score when compared to other law optional subjects. And the last myth is that this particular topic is not overlapping with other subjects. To this, I would counter that UPSC law optional as a subject has an overlapping of almost 40% to that of the GS and the polity paper. So with this, I would conclude by stating that no doubt choosing an optional subject plays an important role as it helps you not only in fetching good marks but also a step ahead towards the interview and maybe towards your goals. So choose your subject wisely. Thank you and have a good day.